like many people, a lot of concerns about climate change. One of them is the increased abundance of pest species. So for example, in this part of the world, we didn't used to have ticks, and now we have ticks and Lyme disease and other emergent diseases that are impacting human health. In terms of trees, we have many introduced pest species that have decimated many of our local species. So for example, eastern hemlock trees, which are wonderful conifer species in our local forests, when they're hit by the hemlock woolly adelgid, which is an insect that sucks carbon and other sugars out of their leaves, they usually die within a decade of being infected. As of now, the spread of the hemlock woolly adelgid has been kept in check in its northern range because of winter temperatures. And so some people are worried that with warmer winter temperatures, the hemlock woolly adelgid and other pest species will actually be able to move north and devastate more of our hemlock trees. But that's true of many of our pest species. We now have the emerald ash borer that we're expecting to lose our ash trees in this region. And behind it, we're likely to lose some of these native tree species and get more species from the south that are migrating north, like oaks and other tree species. I don't mean individual trees because of course they don't have legs like we do, but many of their seeds that would otherwise not germinate and live in higher latitudes would be outcompeted by local species. So just recently there's been new observations of species like red oak making it into Hubbard Brook. And so there's just an interest in trying to understand how the species composition is going to change as we lose ash trees, as we eventually are likely to lose eastern hemlock trees, as beech trees change their composition because of beech bark disease and many other pest species.